Hampden is where it is now.
Those theories have gone now.
Exactly, it's gone, and we're not going to go to Murraycourt. It's about how we improve Hampden. So positive thoughts in that only, please. Big Alan Falkert says the biggest change that's required at Hampden is inside the offices. The SFA is not fit for purpose. Now, Wally, I'm imagining a smart cookie like yourself, you're only going to chuck £5 million at anybody. So are you quite happy with the current regime at the SFA, from Ian Maxwell down?
To be honest, I don't know these people. You know, I've met Ian a couple of times. I've met, you know, Rod Petrie. For me, this was all about Glasgow. It wasn't about the SFA. It was about, you know, that I wanted that Hampden was iconic. It's one of the iconic pieces of Glasgow. That was first and foremost. So to be honest with you, I can't comment. The last time I was in the offices was a long time ago, and they looked fine to me. So I don't think they are now.
Yeah, my thought would be actually that the National Association is simply asked or expected to do too much. And it is an association of different groups of people, whatever. But currently, you know, teams, our highest ranking team, much has been made of the women making it to the cup final, to the European World Cup, and congratulations to them for that. But actually our highest ranking team is our cerebral palsy team. We've got community teams, we've got youth development officers, we've got projects around obesity, around mental health, and you just actually wonder whether the professional end of the game is something that needs to be taken care of in a better way. Maybe the SFA's been asked to do too much.
Right, okay, fair point. Can you ask Mark to do me a favour? Says Jerry Creechan, you know that name? Right, about 15 years ago, I nutmegged his father in a five-a-side tournament. Big Brian is still looking for me. Can you ask Mark to have a word as I want to come home? Does that all make sense now?
It does make sense.
Right, we'll leave that there. You can sort that out between you and your dad. The refereeing decisions have been rotten, but they only get one look. The appeals have been nothing short of disgraceful.
Yes, I think that's a fair point there, because notwithstanding your fact, Tam, that there are lots of ways that they could get playbacks in the stadium.
You only watch it once.
Precisely, and we don't have a system where a referee can come off. Look, even with that ridiculous decision at Partick Thistle, whilst it was the case that fans were putting things up on the feeds and on social media, the ref was still on the pitch talking to the assistant referee, and you know, they made a massively awful decision.
They clearly never saw it. And if they don't see it, they can't give it. It was as if the match officials were in that game for Hull and said, oh, that they were maybe don't mind that, I'm less watching them.
Which raises the question about whether you should be able to review and rescind anyway. There's a very coherent argument to be made that says as soon as the final whistle blows, that's it. And if the referee's made a mistake, the mistake is buried with that game. And there shouldn't be appeals and rescinding and all the rest of it. I don't necessarily agree with it, but I can understand the argument for
Now, here's a point in terms of using other grounds. Neil Moffat says the last time Scotland qualified for a major tournament, Hampden was being refurbished and the games were all played elsewhere.
Yeah.
You must have like here, really.
I think it's just part of, you know, the way the game has moved on. Now, back then, there was better players, you know, with a lot more Scottish players that were prominent in the big teams in the Premier League. And I think over the years now, there's been so many, you know, foreign players coming in now that the gene pool is getting shallower and shallower. And I think this is one of the things that we have to address. I think a big part of how I've get involved is to see what we can do with grassroots football.
Yeah. Okay, and somebody here looking for a bit of help, hoping for some advice here from Tam and Stuart. On my way south, this came in at 1:30. On my way south with my wee boy and his pal to see Aberdeen St Johnston. It's at McDermott Park today.
Yes, it is, yeah.
And we've stopped in a Whale Kent supermarket in Dundee for a bite of lunch.
Good.
We've gone into the restaurant and it says, here's the dilemma, kids eat free after. As an Aberdeen fan, this is an appalling dilemma. Well, no, it's a solution.
As an Aberdeen fan, I'm looking forward to seeing the second half.
No, wait a minute. Can I just say this? And I don't mean this.
And you'll get in, they might get in for nothing the second half.
Well, there's no joke here, because for a range of reasons, there's been a problem with water pipes or water mains at the what is traditionally the Aberdeen end, which is the North Stand, and the Aberdeen fans have been accommodated in the Ormond Stand, which is traditionally the South Stand, and so that, first of all, is a very big difference, and secondly, that's the area of the ground, the turn-offs coming off the motorway and whatever. So Aberdeen fans have been asked by their own supporters liaison officers to leave half an hour early, so he shouldn't be anywhere near that restaurant. He should be on the outskirts of Perth now.
Okay, Stuart's got an answer there for you. And exercise 11, this is my favourite one so far, from Legend 74. Exercise 11, Shunsuke Nakamura. Certainly very hard to go to accept.
Definitely,
I mean, yeah. Embarrass myself, I was telling you how my legs were sore. Would you believe I was at a roller disc?
Yes.
You big.
Oh,
God. Why did I mention that? Can you imagine? There's a sight. Frank Spencer holding on to the bus.
Absolutely. Bent down and broke his trousers. Saturday night fever.
Anyhow, Shunsuke Nakamura. Thank you for that. What else have we got here? Oh, another good one for exercise 11. Cardiokinesia. Oh, cardio, aye.
Has there ever been a Scottish footballer called Leck or Lecky?
Well, there's Lex Bailey.
Yeah.
Well, you could have.
Who was a policeman.
You could have. That's right. It was. You could have fartlexy, which is a well-known training technique.
Oh, was it?
Yes, fartlex. Do you know about that, Mark?
I do,
There you are.
There you go.
Well, we got there eventually.
I think that beats Kieran.
We had to make up a player with the name that fitted
I'm afraid
our
it.
selection. What we got? Somebody else mentioned Murrayfield. Sorry, Murrayfield is gone. Forget it. There we go. It's Hampden. We only want your thoughts now. Fans need to be listened to. The